Hey guys, hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and healthy. So in this video, we are going to see a very basic program that mostly everyone knows. But if you don't, I am very much sure that at the end of the video, you will. So we are going to see how to swap two values without using a third variable. Generally, we do this by using the third temporary variable. But in this video, we will see two different approach to swap two values, and that too without using the third variable. So let's dive in this program. See, swapping generally means to interchange the values, that is, to exchange two values. Suppose initially A is assigned to value 5 and B is assigned to value 20, and after swapping values will get exchanged, that is, A will be 20 and B will be 5. So this is basically swapping. Firstly, I will tell how to swap two values by using a third variable, and then after that I will show two different approach to swap the values without using the third variable. So in this concept it is very easy. See the logic here written in the screen. We have to declare one temporary variable, and temp is that variable here. Then assign the value of A to that variable. That means the variable temp will be holding the value as same as the variable A will be holding. And then A equals to B. That means the value of A will be override by the value of B. So basically now A will be now holding the value of B, and in the third line B equals to temp. That means the value of B will get override by the value of that variable temp is holding, and the temp has the value of A. That means B will be assigned the value of A. So this was the logic and the code snippet. Let's see the sample program for the same. So in this program, swapping two values by using third variable, exactly the same explained earlier. Taking two values from the user and first displaying the exact two values that has been entered by the user, and then the swapped value. See the output part here. So now the excited movement. This was the very simple approach. Let's see that two different approach. So first one is by using addition and subtraction operator, and the second one is by using multiplication and division operator. So let's focus on the first method. See the syntax here. I have mentioned A equals to A plus B, then B equals to A minus B, and last A equals to A minus B. Let us understand by taking one scenario. Let the value of A be 10 and the value of B be 20 for initials. Now the value of A becomes C, and then the first is A equals to A plus B. That means A equals to 10 plus 20. Now the value of A becomes 30. Focus here. The value of A has been changed. Initially it was 10 and now it has become 30. And then in the second line, B equals to A minus B. That means B equals to 30 minus 20. So the value of B becomes 10. And in the last step, A equals to A minus B. That means A equals to 30 minus 10. So the value of A becomes 20. So now what you will find that the value of A and B has been swapped. So pause the video, see the screen, and take some another value of A and B and try to swap using this approach. You will find it very exciting for sure. So see the sample program based on this approach. So in this also user is giving two values of his or her choice, and the program is swapping the values using the previous approach only. We have understood this right now. So now let's see the another approach, that is by using multiplication and division operator. See the syntax mentioned in the screen. First A is equals to A into B, then B equals to A by B, and then A equals to A by B. Initially take the value of A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. And now for swapping for those two values, let us substitute this in the above method line wise. So A equals to A into B, that is A equals to 10 into 20. Therefore the value of A becomes 200 here. The value of A becomes 200 at the first step. Until now the value of B is 20 only. Now the second step, B equals to A by B. That means B equals to 200 by 20. and that means b becomes 10. Therefore, the value of b has been changed and becomes 10. And in the third step, a equals to a by b. That is, a equals to 200 by 10. Therefore, a equals to 20. The final value of a we got is 20. So now, focus here that the values are swapped. So let's see the sample program for the same. In this also I have done the same thing but by another method, and which we have seen right now. So pause the video guys and go through it. Hope you have found it exciting and interesting. So here it was the today's topic. Please try to implement it with yourself too. I am winding up here. Please feel free to reach us for any types of doubts and clarification. Thank you and bye bye.